Hi Amazon sellers and future Amazon sellers. My name's Brett with ALGO Online Retail. And out of the 16 years I've been selling on Amazon, I've learned to find the best profitable products, you need to have the best tools. So today, I'm gonna show you one of the greatest tools that you can use to help you find profitable products for your Amazon business. And I'm gonna show you step by step how to use this amazing software. Let's go ahead and dive on in right now. First, go to ProfitHunter.tools. Click on the blue sign up button to create your account. Next, go to ASIN scanner, click on new scan, then drag the product list from your supplier into the ASIN scanner. For it to find the item on Amazon, it needs the ASIN or the UPC. In this case, it automatically found the ASIN numbers on our product list. Next, it needs to know the cost per unit. From the drop-down menu, we're going to choose which column in the spreadsheet contains our cost per unit. In this case, it's under the heading of price. Now I can see a preview right here just to make sure everything looks right. Since it looks right, I'm gonna go ahead and hit next. From here, we can choose the marketplace. I'm gonna go with US, and we can even rename the file name or even enter in our supplier's name and notes. I'm gonna go ahead and hit analyze to start analyzing it. Now that the spreadsheet is complete, just click on its name. Now it's going to pull in all the data of which it's gathered. As you can see, it found over 12,000 products on Amazon. When we come down to this profit column, you're going to see there's quite a few products on here where we're losing money. Now, I'm sure you don't want to be a charity. You want to be a business that's going to be profitable and make money, so we don't want to lose money on products. For that reason, we want to weed out all these ones where we're losing money. This is where the magic happens. With just a click of a button, I can click on big profits and instantly it weeds out all the products where I'm losing money. Now, I don't want to just sell products that's going to make me big profits. I want to sell the best top products. So that way I'm selling products that are selling fast and going to make me good profit. So I can click on top products over here. And with this preset, it's going to find me the best products. As you can see, it narrowed it down to 196 products out of 12,000 products. This is amazing because if you were to do manual research on each one of these products, it would take you weeks, versus with this software, with just a click of a button, we're able to narrow it down in a matter of seconds. What's really great about the software is if you're looking for anything specific, we can always come up here and type in like toys for an example, and it's going to show us toys. Or we can even customize it to our liking. For an example, if I want to find a product on here where the monthly revenue is doing, let's say, over $1,000, I just hover over the column and click on the 3 lines. Then I can choose how I want it filtered. For an example, for my monthly revenue, I can choose greater than or equal to and put in 1,000. By putting in 1,000, it's now going to narrow it down to products that are doing over $1,000 in sales. Now I could filter any of these columns to my liking. I could also move these columns around just by simply clicking on it and dragging it around. I could also save any of the filters that I've entered in by creating my own preset. Now I'm going to show you an example of this. If I just click on one of my saved presets, it's automatically going to show all the filters that I've previously put in. With my customized preset selected, I can now go through and look at the different columns here to make a buying decision. I can see, does the product have a buy box? I can see what the current profit is and what the profit's been on average for the last 90 days, what the current ROI is, the last 90-day average return on investment. But my favorite numbers to look at is right here. The total estimated sales, my monthly revenue, but most importantly, what my sales personally would be and what my monthly profit would be. These are my 2 favorite columns to look at. And as we scroll down, I can look on here what the buy box price has been for the last 90 days. I can see how many other sellers there are, how many people bought in the last month, what the current sales rank is, the current rating, what the reviews have been, who the dominant sellers are, and so much more data on here. But what I really love to look at, again, is this number right here, my monthly profit. This is how much money I could potentially make. Now, as you look at these numbers here, how would it change your life to have a tool like this? If you want to learn more about selling on Amazon, we're hosting a free online workshop this week. Click on the link below to register, and we'll see you there.